Welcome everyone, my name is Eric. In this video, I will teach you how to create your own cage so you could bake normal maps. Without further ado, let's jump to Blender. Before we start, you need to know there is a few ways how to create the cage, and I will show you few of them. Also, it's very important that the low poly mesh and cage have the same number of polygons. So let's start the first method. In the beginning, let's copy the low poly mesh. Let's change name to cage. Let's change the material. Cage. I will change the color to red. Okay, so now as you can see, our low poly model and cage, they have the same number of polygons. Now unhide our high poly model. And now let's select the cage. Let's press S, hold shift and slowly scale this up. Okay, as you can see we have small problems because cage have to cover the whole low poly and high poly, so the yellow and blue color have to be covered by red. So we have to fix this. First, let's enter to edit mode. Okay, we have selected this part, so select this part. Okay, you can go to vertex mode, GY. We can scale it a little bit. Let's do it the same thing on the other side. Vertex mode. Select everything. Let's select. Okay. GY. Okay, a little bit. And now the center. Okay, bottom is okay. It's okay, we can hide this. So as you can see, we selected all the vertices. We can unhide our low poly and high poly mesh. Let's scale it inward. Scale, Shift Z, because we don't want to scale it on the high, only on the X and Y axis. Hold Shift and let's go scroll it inside. Okay. As you can see, our cage is ready. Second method. Let's duplicate our low poly mesh. Shift D. Let's change to cube. Okay, I switch already the material. So unhide. To fix this, we will go to the sculpt mode. You can use the grab brush, but I like to use the blob brush or inflate brush. You can set the strength something 0.5. Let's make this brush bigger and gently press. And as you can see, our cage is covering all the high poly mesh and low poly mesh. And let's fix the inside. Much. You can use shift to smooth this. Okay, so our cage is ready. The third method, and this method I like the most, it takes to make the cage, it takes a little bit longer, but I think it gives the best result. Like before, select the low poly mesh. Let's duplicate it, Shift D. Let's change the name, cage. Let's change material to cage. Okay, it's ready. So let's unhide our high poly model. Let's select the cage. Let's go to the modifier properties. Add modifier. Let's choose solidify. Here where we have offset -1, change to 1. And then when you hold shift, you can adjust the thickness. Okay, looks good. Okay, uncheck the fill rim and press apply. Now let's hide the high poly, low poly. Next, let's switch to the solid mode. Turn on the X-ray. Let's press tab and enter to the edit mode. Let's switch to the face, so we could select the face. As you can see, our cage have this kind of thin layer, okay? So we have to select the faces that are inside. Let's check. Yeah, as you can see, I selected the face inside, okay? And now, Control plus, we are selecting all the faces that are inside our cage. Okay, press X and delete the faces. Let's go back to object mode. Okay, switch to the material preview mode. Unhide the low poly and let's check. As you can see here, check here, low poly and cage have the same amount of polygons, and the cage covers really well the high poly model. Of course, you can mix all those three methods I showed you to get even better results if you have more complicated models. In the description below there will be a link to the video where I teach how to use cage to bake normals. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, and of course, don't forget the most important thing, notification bell. Thank you very much.